Hi all, you're watching It's Bevs. In this video, we will be making low-cost tuna baked sushi. Let's start. We will need one ripe mango. Slice it and peel it. If you're looking for an easy way to peel a mango, I've got you covered. Place the edge of the cut mango against the rim of the glass. With a little pressure, push the mango down the side of the glass so the peel remained on the outside and the fruit on the inside. Set aside. For the scrambled eggs, beat 2 large eggs, salt and pepper in a bowl until blended. In a snap, we will cook it. For the tuna, I love to use spicy canned tuna, but because I will be serving this to my niece and nephews, I use the regular one. It is stated in the Aunt Judy's handbook to prioritize the kids' preference with whatever we cook. I added 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, and to make it a little richer and sweeter, I add 2 tablespoons of kewpie. If you don't have one, you can just add 2 teaspoons of white sugar into 4 tablespoons of regular mayonnaise. Mix it well. Now for the rice, I used 1 and 1/2 cup uncooked sticky rice. Once you cook it, it will yield 3 cups of rice. Just like what I did on my Gimbap recipe, I mixed 2 tablespoons cane vinegar, 2 teaspoons white sugar, and 1/2 teaspoon of sea salt. This is as an alternative for rice vinegar. Make sure to properly dilute sugar and salt before adding it on the rice. By the way, if you haven't seen my Gimbap recipe, go check it in my description or on the link above. Mix it thoroughly. It's time to add the Furikake rice seasoning. If you don't have one, don't worry. We have an alternative for that. In the Philippines, you are a rich kid if you haven't tried pairing your rice with junk food. So now, we will use it as a seasoning. I used Oishi prawn crackers, which is now 8 pesos in sari-sari stores. I suggest you use the red one if you love to make it more salty and spicy. Make sure to crush it very well. If you don't have Oishi, you may use any potato chips. I also added Pringles to make it more tastier and salty. After seasoning the rice, transfer it into a microwavable container. Spread the rice evenly. I prefer to add a layer of nori sheet. You may disregard it if you don't have it. Then another layer of rice. Cover it with scrambled eggs. Spread the mangoes evenly. You may also substitute avocados for mangoes. Top the tuna mayo mixture. Finally, sprinkle it with cheese. I recommend quick melt. Bake it for 5 to 10 minutes until the cheese melts. Now we're done. It's time to try it. Wrapped baked sushi with a nori sheet. This is best eaten when warm. Enjoy it with your fam! Hope you too will make it. Thank you for watching.